Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss lesson number 9 heat. Exercise. आप पहली बार इस चैनल पे आए हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल and press the bell icon button. Question number 1. Filling the blanks with the proper words form the brackets. Question number 1. A. Maximum heat is absorbed by a blank place colored object. Answer is black. Question number 1. B. Blank place of heat does not require a medium. Answer is radiation. Question number 1. C. Conduction of heat take place through a blank place substances. Answer is good conductor. Question number 1. D. The shining surface in the thermos flask decreases the outgoing heat by blank place. Answer is reflection. Question number 1. E. Cooking utensils are made from metal due to their property of blank place. Answer is conduction. Question number 1. F. The earth receives heat from the sun by blank place. Answer is radiation. Question number 2. What will absorb heat? Steel spoon, wooden board, glass vessel, iron cradle, glass, wooden spoon, plastic plate, soil, water and wax. Answer is steel spoon, iron griddle, water, wax will absorb heat. Question number 3. Write answer to the following question. Question number 3. A. How does a fever get lowered by putting a cold compress on the forehead of patient? Answer is cold compress is made up of material that absorbs heat. Thus, by putting it on the forehead of patient suffering from high fever, the heat flow takes place from the head of the patient to the cold compress. Therefore, the cold compress absorbs heat from the patient's body and lower the body temperature. Question number 3. B. Why are the houses in the Rajasthan painted white? Answer is because white color are reflector of heat. Thus Rajasthan is a very hot city, has house with their wall painted white so that most of the heat from the sun is reflected back to the atmosphere that keep the house cool from inside. C. What are the modes of heat transfer? Answer is there are 3 modes of heat transfer. First is conduction. Conduction is a process in which heat is transferred from the hotter end to an object its cooler end. Second is convection. The process of transfer of heat through a fluid is called convection. Third one is radiation. Radiation is a method of heat transfer which does not require a medium. D. Explain which mode of heat transfer cause sea breeze and land breeze. Answer is convection cause sea breeze and land breeze heat transfer through fluid take place by the process of convection. Sea breeze. It is the wind that blows from the sea or ocean towards the land. It develops during daytime when the land heats up quickly. Also, the water heat up slowly as compared to the land due to which water in sea and ocean is relatively cooler than land. Therefore, the air near the land became hot and rise up, and cool air from sea take place of hot air. The hot air then moves towards the sea to complete the cycle. Land breeze. It is the wind that blows from the land towards the sea or the ocean. It develops during night time. Land cools down faster than water. Therefore, during night time, the land is cooler than sea. Hence, cool air from the land blow towards the sea. This is called the land breeze. E. Why is the outer coat of the penguin of Antarctica black? Answer is because the black color is good absorbs of heat. So in cold region like Antarctica, the black outer coating of penguin helps them to absorb a much heat from the surrounding and keep their body warm. F. Why are the heaters fitted near the floor and air conditioner near the ceiling of room? Answer is room heater are fitted near the floor because this allows the hot air near the heater to rise up and warm the entire room. The air conditioner are fitted near the ceiling so that the cool air from the AC takes place of hot air rising up from the bottom. This way the entire room gets cooled. Question number 4. Give scientific reason. A. An ordinary glass bottle cracks when boiling water is poured into it, but Borosill glass bottle does not. Answer is normal glass is an insulator, which means it is poor conductor of heat. When boiling water is poured into a glass which is in contact with the hot water, heat up one expand as per its coefficient of thermal expansion, but the outer layer of glass remains cold and does not expand. This coefficient in the thermal expansion causes thermal stress, which leads to cracking. Borosill glass have very low coefficient of thermal expansion, which make them resistant to thermal shock more than in any not crack more than any other common glass. So Borosill glass does not crack when hot liquid is poured in it, but normal glass crack. B. The telephone wire which sag in summer become straight in winter. Answer is in the summer the surrounding temperature is very high. Due to this high temperature, the metallic telephone wire are heated up and thus expand in length. Due to this, they sag down. In winter, the surrounding temperature is very low. Due to this low temperature, the magnetic telephone wire are cooled down and thus contracts in length. Due to this, they became straight. C. Dewdrops form on the grass in winter. Answer is in winter the temperature of the air near the grass decreases to dew point. Thus, the air became saturated with vapors. As a result, water vapor convert into tiny water droplet which appears on surface of the grass. D. In winter, why does an iron pillar feel colder than a wooden pole? Answer is an iron pillar feel colder than wooden pole in winter because the thermal conductivity of iron is very high compared to wood. So, when you touch from wooden pole, heat from your finger warm the wooden pole just at that place but doesn't conduct it always. But from iron pillar, the heat conducts always replied. The heat conducts always replied from your finger to the wall pillar and your finger then keep trying to supply more heat until it is as cold as the iron. So the iron pillar feels colder because it doesn't warm under your finger like the wooden pole. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको हेल्पफुल लगा होगा तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल फॉर मोर वीडियो.